particularly in the CTO and CIO role, I mean, you're paid to be solution oriented. You're paid to be innovation oriented. You're paid to be execution oriented. And so you have this narrow view sometimes of what transformation is, particularly after the pandemic. When I spoke to CIOs in that 2 year period, transformation was all about hybrid working and enabling low code and no code type of operations to replace emails and collaborations and meetings and spreadsheets because they couldn't do those things anymore when or as effectively when working remotely. So they had this narrow view of digital transformation is we need to enable hybrid working. 2 years before that, if you ask the same question of CIOs and CTOs, it'd say, you know what, our data centers are too expensive. It's too hard of an operating model. Digital transformation is going to help us move to the cloud, and we're going to get the benefits of the cloud. So I think that's a very narrow way of looking at transformation. I think it's looking at it from a tactical, how do I apply technologies to a greater business benefit? And I encourage CTOs and CTOs start with spend your time to really understand markets and customers and what their expectations are. What does that business model look like when you're doing something completely different than what you're doing today and how you're serving your customers? I tell CIOs and CTOs another aspect of this is imagine doubling the number of leaders in your staff who can run a transformation initiative. That's the number one barrier CIOs and CTOs faces